Are Teslas all they're cracked up to be? Ever been stuck at a gas pump, fuming as the price per gallon keeps climbing? Imagine a world where you never have to visit a gas station again. A world where your car silently glides down the road, powered by clean electricity. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? Well, that's the promise of Tesla. But with all the hype surrounding Elon Musk's brainchild, a question lingers: are Teslas actually any good? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Teslas, exploring the cutting-edge tech, the undeniable cool factor, but also the potential drawbacks you need to consider before taking the plunge. Lights, camera, instant power. Let's start with the crown jewel, the electric powertrain. Teslas boast insane acceleration. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds for some models. That neck-snapping launch is unlike anything you've experienced in a gasoline car. It's the kind of performance that puts a smile on your face every time you press the pedal. Then there's the whole gas station refugee thing. Imagine waking up every morning to a fully charged car, ready to conquer your day. No more waiting in line, no more smelly gas fumes. Plus, the environmental benefits are undeniable. With no tailpipe emissions, you're doing your part for a cleaner planet. Tech heaven on wheels. But Tesla isn't just about speed and clean energy. These cars are rolling tech marvels. The massive center touchscreen controls everything from climate to navigation to that funky whoopee cushion mode that'll leave your passengers giggling. Yes, it's a real thing. The autopilot system is another game changer. It handles highway driving with impressive ease, taking the stress out of long commutes. It's important to remember though, autopilot isn't self-driving. You're still very much responsible for staying alert and attentive. Looking fly, feeling the future. Let's not forget the undeniable cool factor. Teslas have a sleek, futuristic design that turns heads wherever you go. Owning a Tesla is a statement. It says you're environmentally conscious, you appreciate cutting-edge technology, and let's be honest, you like a little bit of luxury. The not-so-sunny side. Now, before you rush out and order your dream Tesla, there are a few things to consider. The biggest hurdle for most people is the price tag. Teslas are undeniably expensive. While the cost of electric vehicles is coming down, there's still a significant investment compared to a traditional gasoline car. Range anxiety, a real thing? Then there's the question of range. While Tesla offers models with impressive ranges exceeding 300 miles, it's not quite the same as filling up your gas tank in 5 minutes. Road trips require careful planning to ensure you have access to charging stations along the way. This range anxiety can be a real concern for some potential buyers. Quality control concerns? Tesla's build quality has also come under scrutiny. Some owners have reported issues with panel gaps, paint imperfections, and rattles. While Tesla has made strides in improving quality control, it's something to be aware of before you pull the trigger. The verdict: are Teslas right for you? So, are Teslas any good? The answer depends on your priorities. If you crave exhilarating performance, cutting-edge tech, and a commitment to sustainability, then a Tesla might be your perfect match. However, if you're on a tight budget, prioritize long road trips, or value a traditionally flawless fit and finish, then you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and take a Tesla for a test drive. It's an experience you won't soon forget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.